I would say the market's changed the past 15 years. Before we used to spend a week in a house putting ductwork in a house, and the end result was marginal. Now I'm putting 2 days, have the same results, and people are in and out, and the customer is extremely happy.
2 years ago when we first put it in, we had a few questions that went along with it. Our distributor, SG Taurus, and all Mitsubishi support was actually able to take and just walk us step by step through it. After the first one, we really have had no problems installing them. I really wouldn't suggest to anybody to have any worries about putting any of these in. They're really a simple installation. It's the same wiring basically that it is to the outside unit. So if you were to run 4 line sets to the outside unit, it's just as easy to run 4 line sets to the inside unit.
It was a hard sell. People seen pictures of them, they heard about them. Now, the past 5 years, I've been into people's houses. They have a cousin that has them. They've been to a restaurant that has them, or they're more familiar with them. And they're more familiar with the Mr. Slim name. It's almost like a brand name they use. I'll go into people's houses now and they'll ask for, I'm very interested in Mr. Slim. The growth has been more so heat pumps. We used to sell them mainly as air conditioning. Now people are looking at them as a heating system.
For some applications in big open rooms such as these areas, we can have 1 unit. I mean, figure the FH15 head, we can get 36 feet of flow out of that head. That's great, but what happens when you have 4 bedrooms, 4 small bedrooms that are next to each other, 4 small rooms that are there that they want to get heating or cooling to? You would have had to put 4 heads up. Well, it becomes cost prohibitive to a customer, plus now they have to look at 4 more heads on the walls. The ducted applications are great. For short runs, we can take and actually put in one of the MHK thermostats in there. We can take and put a remote sensor in to see what the temperature is in the rooms. But basically we can serve 4 rooms off of 1 ducted unit now. You don't have to take and break it down to 4 heads and take and put 4 wall mounted units up, 4 floor mounted units up. It's more cost effective for the customer. It's also less intrusive to their house, and it still provides the exact same needs or wants that they were looking to have served.
Less problems, it's better results, and it's cost effective for us and the customer.